In this video, we'll show you how to add apps from the Produce8 browser extension. First, you'll need to go to the page that you wish to follow. Then, select the Produce8 browser extension. You'll then need to select Follow this page. And if you've already created a desktop app, you can link it to an existing app. If not, select Create a new app. Here you'll need to populate the app name, the app logo, and the app color to show in the app. Select Next, and then decide whether you want to follow all traffic from this website, or an exact page, or maybe even a suffix or a prefix using custom matching. Once you've chosen, select Next. You'll then need to name the web address and decide which workspaces this data should be shown in. Select Next, and you're done. Now you should go back to your Produce8 account just to make sure that you can see the activities coming in already.